Welcome to the KetosisNow Review 2020. In this review YouTube we will discuss every feature of the KetosisNow Review's 2020 program and see the advantages and disadvantages of each feature. KetosisNow is a dietary supplement that you can use regularly for keeping your weight off. According to the official website, the product uses specific ingredients to trigger your body's natural fat loss processes. If you have been looking for a solution for boosting your metabolism but without going through any unpleasant side effects, this is one you can go for. The best part? Apart from being safe, this product is also a convenient way to shed excess pounds. If you've not been able to chop excess weight, perhaps you need to try a different approach. This particular supplement is based on the process of ketosis. Special promo. Click the link in the description below to get KetosisNow for an exclusive discounted price. If you would like to know more about this supplement, dive into the KetosisNow review below. It will talk about the supplement's working, benefits and more. KetosisNow review. If you've been trying everything in your power to slim down but haven't been seeing any results, perhaps you need to try harder. And yet again, if you're still failing at everything you're trying, there's a chance that there's some process not quite right in your body. That being said, ketosis is quite a popular word these days. It means the conversion of fats into energy. Typically, what happens is that fats start getting collected. This leads to weight gain. Therefore, perhaps, you need to switch on ketosis for your weight loss efforts to reap fruit. But how do you go about that? You can try out KetosisNow for triggering ketosis. As per the manufacturers, this is a dietary supplement that uses the best ingredients, in clinically correct amounts. The product doesn't even take much of your time while it keeps your body in ketosis for long. Therefore, you get the results you are aiming for without having to do something more. Therefore, KetosisNow seems to be an effective, reliable, and effortless solution for weight loss. Huge savings today. Click the link in the description below to order KetosisNow for the lowest price available. How does KetosisNow work? As discussed above, sometimes what happens is that you are not able to lose weight because the fat burning process of your body is not working as it should. Resultantly, your body drives its energy from carbohydrate sources. To meet its energy needs, it makes use of glucose. Now this damages your health in two different ways. First of all, fats are not being used at all and therefore, they start getting accumulated in the folds of your skin. And secondly, you tend to feel less energetic because the energy that comes from carbohydrates is not as lasting and neither is it of as high quality as that which comes from fats. According to KetosisNow.com, what KetosisNow supplement does is that it ensures that you experience amazing weight loss by boosting your metabolism. How does it do that? It puts into action the process of ketosis in which fats are burned rather than carbohydrates. When this happens, fats don't get stored, rather they are put to use. The energy that you get from fats is also more lasting and of a better quality. Basically, this formula helps you with weight loss in 3 different ways. Number 1, it gives you the stamina that you need for engaging in strenuous exercises to put your body in a good shape. Number 2, KetosisNow puts your body in a 24/7 mode of burning fats so that you have none of that gunk collected around your waist. Number 3, it encourages you to avoid foods that can cause an increase in your weight. You see, carbs and sugars don't only hinder the process of ketosis, but they also risk your health in other ways. Why should you buy KetosisNow? If you take a look at the market of keto supplements, you will realize that there are so many products out there that you can choose from. Then why is it that you should prefer this one over every other product out there? The answer behind this is quite simple. KetosisNow is completely safe. This is what makes it special. You see, when you start the keto diet, there are certain negative side effects that you have to go through. It's like, to get to your weight loss results, you have to walk through fire. Sometimes, this makes you lose motivation too. For instance, some negative side effects that accompany a keto diet include the keto flu, excessive cravings for carbohydrates, irritability for not having the sugar or carb rush that you have become dependent on, as well as brain fog, constipation, acne, and the keto breath, which can be very unpleasant. Most keto supplements come with the same unpleasant side effects. The manufacturers claim that KetosisNow supplement doesn't have any of these accompanying nagging effects. If anything, it packs some great benefits for your health in addition to weight loss. Limited stock. Click the link in the description below to buy KetosisNow from its official website while supplies last. Benefits of KetosisNow supplement. KetosisNow benefits your health in multiple ways. Let's take a quick look below at some of the ways this product improves your health, though individual results may vary. Better mood. By helping you get rid of fats, this supplement restores your confidence and your self-esteem. It also improves your mood so that you feel lighter and happier rather than stressed and depressed. Radiant skin. By cleansing your body of unnecessary fats, this supplement is able to make your skin more beautiful. It fights the dullness in your skin and makes it more radiant. More energy. KetosisNow supplement also makes you more energetic by converting fats into energy. Hence, you become more active and productive. Boosted immunity. Another perk that you get from this supplement is that it makes your immune system stronger. Therefore, your body is able to heal faster and protect itself from the attack of diseases. Proper inflammation. Inflammation is a healthy response of your body, that is, until it is not chronic. This supplement controls chronic inflammation and supports healthy inflammatory activity. Also read KetosisNow customer reviews and consumer complaints. Does it really work for everyone? Find out more here. Is KetosisNow legit and worth buying? KetosisNow supplement has some pretty great qualities as mentioned on its official website. Check these out here. This is a natural product that has been designed using only the best ingredients. Since this product is natural, you can use it safely without having to worry about any negative side effects. All KetosisNow ingredients have been studied prior to be included in the formula. This ensures that no unnecessary ingredients have been added in the formula. The supplement doesn't contain any toxins or fillers either to lower the price. This shows that the quality of the product has not been compromised on. Ingredients have been added in clinically tested amounts to support health. This ensures that no ingredient is present in a low or high amount, but in just the right quantity. The product has been tested by a third-party laboratory that is certified and independent. How to use KetosisNow pills. One bottle of this supplement contains 60 capsules. You are supposed to take 2 capsules per day, which means that one bottle is enough to last you for 30 days. To be able to see effective results, you need to follow the directions of use as have been mentioned on the label of the product. You may also need to follow a ketogenic diet and exercise regularly to speed up results. As for how long KetosisNow pills will take to show your results, that differs from one person to another. However, it shouldn't take long for you to notice a significant difference in your weight once you start using this product. Though this is a safe and natural supplement, if you have any underlying condition or are already taking any medication, purchase this supplement only after consulting your healthcare provider. Click the link in the description below. Order KetosisNow for the best price available online. Where to buy KetosisNow? Pricing and refund policy. Do you want to buy one bottle of KetosisNow or do you want to buy additional bottles? If the former is the case, purchase just one bottle of this product for $49. However, if you would like to stock the product and save more, go for one of the 2 discounted deals available. These are the following. In a deal of 3 bottles of this product, you get each for $39. In a deal of 6 bottles of this product, you get each for $33. Note that shipping is not free of cost. You're supposed to pay additional shipping charges on top of the cost mentioned above. To make your purchase safe and to stay away from KetosisNow scam by unofficial sellers, only buy from the official website using this link. The company does offer a 60-day long money-back guarantee when purchased through them. According to this refund policy, you have the liberty to return the bottles and get your money back if you are not satisfied with the results of the product. KetosisNow reviews the verdict. KetosisNow seems like a viable supplement for supporting the process of ketosis in your body. The product doesn't make use of any harmful ingredients and doesn't even have any damaging impacts on your health. As per the official website, all you have to do is take out 20 seconds from your daily routine to put your fat-burning enzymes into action. When you take this capsule, your body will start burning fats 24/7, even when you're resting. So, if you would like to make your purchase at a discounted price, click the link in the description below to order the KetosisNow from its official website.